The customer came in with the complaint that the check engine light was on. After connecting a scan tool, I retrieved the code P0446, Evaporative Emission System Vent Control Circuit. This code indicates an issue with the vent control circuit in the evaporative emission system, EVAP, which is responsible for preventing fuel vapors from being released into the atmosphere. To begin diagnosing the issue, I used the scan tool to seal the EVAP system by commanding the EVAP purge solenoid valve and EVAP vent solenoid to close. This is a common diagnostic step to test the system's integrity and look for leaks. Next, I connected a smoke machine to the system and induced smoke to check for leaks. I noticed that smoke was leaking from the EVAP canister vent solenoid, which indicated that the solenoid was malfunctioning. Using the scan tool, I commanded the EVAP canister vent solenoid to open and close, and found that the solenoid was inoperative, meaning it wasn't responding as it should. I then disconnected the connector to the EVAP canister vent solenoid and performed a visual inspection of the connector and terminals. There were no obvious signs of damage, so I proceeded with further testing. Next, I used the scan tool to command the EVAP canister vent solenoid to close, while using a multimeter to check for the presence of voltage and ground at the solenoid. During this test, I found that ground was not present, which pointed to an electrical issue. I then inspected the EVAP canister vent solenoid wiring harness and discovered that the harness was damaged, which was preventing the ground connection from completing properly. I repaired the damaged wiring harness, cleared the codes from the ECU, and performed a road test. After the test, I verified that the vehicle was operating properly, the check engine light remained off, and no fault codes returned. The key takeaway here is that diagnosing a P0446 code requires testing both the electrical and mechanical components of the EVAP system. By using the scan tool to command solenoid operations, checking for leaks with smoke, and inspecting the wiring, I was able to identify the damaged harness as the root cause. Repairing the wiring resolved the issue, and the vehicle's EVAP system returned to normal operation.